Today we are doing. What are we doing?
Queso.
Yeah, we're doing queso. Sorry. She is sauteing some red, yellow, orange peppers
With onion and garlic.
with onion and garlic. If you do not hear. Also, she's gonna throw in
Spicy sausage.
some hamburger and spicy sausage that we had cooked up last night. And then she's gonna do 2 cans of
Oh, maybe not. Just Rotell.
Rotell, and
Velveeta.
and Velveeta cheese. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. This is everything mixed up. She did some shredded cheese. A lot of people put a can of cream of mushrooms, but we left that out. So we're gonna let it go about 150 for about an hour. Then after that, we'll crank it up. We're gonna do a super slow, get that smoke going into it. Stay tuned. Well, here's our end results. We did about 150 for about 45 minutes. Then we kicked her up to 225.
You really taste that smoke?
And then we really, it was done, but it wasn't hot all the way through. About another 30 minutes, and we kicked it up to 350 for about 15 minutes. And it's smoking, and the wife says you can taste the smoke in it. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.